Hello, my Cancer Leo cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of April 2026 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. So, without further ado, let's begin with your reading. Let's try and find out how this month will be for you. Just be in a receptive mode, and let's go. Angels and spirit guides, the month of April for my cusp babies. Please help us in getting some messages. Sweetie pies, if you happen to listen to any outside noise, kindly try to ignore. Apologies for that as well. And if you wish to follow my Instagram or my Facebook pages, it's Vibra to Live. Would appreciate if you could do the needful, like, share, and subscribe. And if you wish to have any personal reading as well, don't forget to DM me. I'm definitely there for you. Okay, is there anything else? Angels and spirit guides? No. So let's see what is the key mantra for you. Burden. So avoid carrying people's baggages. You have your own history. Why are you taking somebody else's responsibility? There could be a possibility that you're scared to move out of your comfort zone, maybe because you feel it's a huge task. It could also mean that you're blowing things out of proportion, delaying. It's like it's a small thing, but in your headspace, you've just thought, oh my God, that kind of a feeling. So this is what universe is trying to remind you. Gain clarity for this month. Okay, now let's see what are the, oh, we've got two. Oh, we have fighting. How did I miss this? So why the burden has come up? Because you have been, so I think it's in your headspace. Okay, so ideally avoid carrying a lot of baggage in your headspace. Probably you're getting too rational. Again, you guys are emotions. There's a part of you, because you're my cusp, emotions and the go-getter. Okay, so that's a air and a water and a fire sign. You know how they do not complement each other, but yes, at times there's a mix of both. Okay, so that's the reason universe is trying to say take care of all those things. Okay, now let's see what are the other energies trying to guide you. We have transformation, integration. See, this is what I was just saying. We've got patience, ordinariness, we are the world, and possibilities. Okay, so um the month is going to teach you something. Okay, I will be very clear over here. I'm not saying, I'm not trying to scare you for that matter, but it's a learning lesson, because through hard, when you struggle hard and when you get that, you value it. I'm not saying either ways you don't value, but I think this month is going to teach you that learn to value. Okay, your patience level is getting tested. Maybe that is what it's trying to say. Whatever transformation is having happening in your life, allow, accept, and release. That's another mantra for you, because your life is going to change into a 360-degree. If you see, the entire line is trying to say you need to have a balance within yourself. Okay, so chant mantras, meditate, deep breathing exercises, whichever modality you follow, chakra balancing should help you. Once this is sorted, these are the positive shifts coming in your life. When you put in a lot of hard work, because see, 7, 8 moving into 10. If you see, we have the rainbow colors. So have patience, because that's where your mood swings are coming. That's the reason it's trying to say that your changes are coming. Do not, it's like, your mentally you are going to get too suffocated, and maybe you will feel nothing is happening, but it's in your headspace. Okay, so have patience. Birth of a new child, pregnancy, or something new seems to be coming up. When you work hard, money flow comes to you. Ideally, these are all money card energies. Okay, so you are traveling, successes embracing. This is also a kind of a travel card. Stay connected with mother earth, have deep rooted vegetables, stay grounded in your approach. Money flow is coming in, success, celebration, good news is coming up. Whenever you feel stuck, my love, there are possibilities you can come out of the situations, and again, broaden your horizon. Okay, there is a strong collaboration or a partnership coming up. So if you see, when you allow these changes, a new chapter to begin, everything like a 360-degree turn will come in your life. Now let's ask your angels, what guidance do they have for you? Angels and spirit guides, guidance for my sweetie pies for this month. Okay, let's take this because it was not going. See, have confidence. Get a makeover done, because whenever this angel pops up with this reading, I always say get a makeover done, because that will help you in gaining your confidence. Wear the clothes that make you feel confident, because that will make you like you know, I feel good, that's how it says. Call in for your angels whenever you feel you're low. You can call for Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, whichever angel you feel. And if you don't know, just talk to them, just let them know that I am going for this and I don't know why I'm feeling low, just help me. They will boost you. Color therapy definitely boosts. So try to choose your best outfit, the best color. Avoid blacks, because black definitely complements, but there are times you should choose other colors. Just try experimenting. You will understand how color therapy works for you. Floral perfumes should help you. So choose whichever perfume you feel associated with, and that can boost your confidence as well. Now, let's come to your love life. Let's ask your love energies. What's the guidance for you for this month? Okay, we've got so many. Let's take them. We have coffee cup, heartbroken, photograph, boat, clock, girl with a snake, and the sword and the rose. So, you are going to date somebody. Okay, you might meet somebody when you are out. Again, there are chances that you might feel heartbroken, reason being because there is somebody who's not showing their true colors. Maybe they have access, so probably there could be issues with power struggles. Okay, so gain clarity is what it's trying to say. If you think you have been through a heartache, please start creating new memories. Time heals anything and everything. You need to allow time, and yes, learn to move on, because there are good news. So ideally, if there is any heartbroken issues that you're dealing with, in short, heal yourself, move ahead and go for a coffee date. Maybe you will understand what life has, you know it wants to give you. Now let's ask universe if there's anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides, anything specific for my class babies for this month? Okay, this one has been up and it says journey. You are traveling. See, what a beautiful synchronicity. How better can it get than this? 10 and 10. Okay, so you are traveling, get ready to move ahead. And again, journey also says moving ahead. So, good news is coming. Everything will fall in, or whatever you want, it will happen, provided you keep moving ahead. So, how should I sum up this month? Keep going ahead. That's all I can say, because a 360-degree change is coming in your life. Allow those shifts to happen. Do not get bogged down. Probably you're creating a load, you're scared, and you need to balance your energies. Have patience, darlings. Keep putting in that 200%. Good news is coming. Whenever you feel stuck, look at as a third person. Probably you will find the answer to the solution that you've been seeking for. Your angels are asking you to gear up on your confidence level. Maybe that seems to be lacking. At the matters of heart, learn to let go of your past, gain clarity. Maybe that is what is required. And if somebody is not showing their true colors, probably they have abandonment issues. Okay, so talk it out. Create new memories, let go of your past, go ahead. Time heals everything and everything. And remember, there is good news. So go out, go on a date. You might just meet that person. And universe is saying, life is a beautiful journey. Just go with the flow. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.